I'll show you how to edit photo in Canva. So first, open your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your Google or email account. Once you're on the home page, click on Social Media from the main dashboard. Here you'll see different photo template options like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or Facebook post. Choose the one that fits your need, and this will open up your editing canvas. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll find template suggestions. You can scroll through these and pick a design that matches your style. Once you find one you like, just click on it, and it'll appear right on your canvas. Next, let's customize the background. Click anywhere on the background, then go to the top toolbar and click on Background Color. From here, you can choose any shade you like using the color palette. It's a quick and easy way to change the overall tone of your design. Now let's move to the text editing part. Click on the text in your design to select it. If you want to change the color, click on the A icon at the top toolbar and then pick a color that matches your design. To change the font style, simply click on the font name at the top and choose from Canva's huge collection of fonts. You can go for something bold, elegant, or minimal depending on your theme. If you want to make your photo more creative, go to the Elements tab on the left. Here you can search for icons, shapes, or graphics. Just drag and drop them right into your canvas. You can resize, rotate, or move them around until everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with your design, click on Share in the top right corner and hit Download to save your edited photo. And that's it.